Mercedes 300C or C300 2015. Small little collision, not much damage done here, but are gonna change the condenser. This is the auxiliary radiator. This is the main radiator. So these three items are gonna get changed. And the front bumper support, that's gonna get changed. Looks like not much got pulled in, so there'll be no pull that's needed. And a little bit, because for you to take this much metal and move it back that far, it takes into two sides. And usually when you take out the bolts, sometimes this will spring back out, sometimes it'll stay in. So what you'll see is when go to fit the new one, they won't line up because these got pulled a little bit inwards as this got shoved straight forward. But other than that, here's the auxiliary. So here's your main radiator right here. Here's your heater hoses going down to it, and engine block hoses right there. And one is going down at the bottom right there. But then you'll notice you have a water pump, electric water pump here, but you have a second electric water pump down here. And if you follow the hoses of the second electric water pump, what you'll see is that this one goes in the center of the mass of the three heat exchangers. So you have the AC refrigerant heat exchanger here, you have the secondary coolant radiator heat exchanger here, and then you have your primary heat exchanger, is the big thick one, the thicker one with the bigger header plate in the back, and that's going to the primary. So you guys are going to start noticing more and more, and a lot of you guys in the general shops still haven't got a lot of these in your shop yet, but you're going to start seeing more. And here's one of those plate heat exchangers that you're seeing on all cars. Let's zoom in down there. Do you see that plate heat exchanger right there? So they're used for everything. They could be used for refrigerant to glycol, or they could be used for power steering. They could be used for transmissions, everything. So you're going to be seeing these a lot more in every manufacturer: Ford, Chevy, Chrysler, Toyota. Every manufacturer on earth is starting to use these plate heat exchangers. So they're going to be as common as you know, M&Ms down in your corner store. Plate heat exchangers on everything. All right, guys, I'm going to get out of here. I'm almost finished recovering this refrigerant, and of course I tested it. It's 100% pure, so it's good. All right, see you guys.